Hi guys, have you ever tried wet diamond eyes before? If not, don't worry. I will show you how to create this look with cotton swab. You need just 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, as always, you need to prep your eye before applying any eye makeup. Begin by applying your favorite concealer. I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Concealer. Please ignore my eyebrows for now as I am currently growing them just because of a reason. Don't worry, I will share the secret to growing eyebrows in a future video. Next step is set the concealer with a setting powder to avoid creasing. Now for the base, I am taking an off-white shade and applying it on my upper lid using a cotton swab. I am applying 3 dots of this shade on the lid, adding depth with warm tone. To add warmth and dimensions, I will mix a lighter brown shade with a dark brown shade. I will make 3 dots on the outer corner of my eye. I am also adding a peach pink tone to the mix to soften the warm brown. Now for blending I am using cotton swab and I am starting from the inner corner and cover more than half of the lid, stopping just before the outer corner for the off-white shade. If you feel that your base shade is lighter, you can add more shadow. Now I am blending the combination of lighter and darker brown shade on the outer corner of the eye, extending slightly outwards. Guys, blend the off-white shade on the lid carefully without going all the way to the outer corner. Now for adding depth, I will use a deeper brown shade, apply it to the outermost part of the lid and blend outward using the cotton swab. This creates a beautiful contoured effect and enhance the eye's dimension. Make sure not to overblend, just enough to diffuse the color. And the blending process with cotton swab is really amazing. Now comes the fun part, adding glitter. For the wet diamond look, use a silver or transparent glitter. Avoid colored glitters as they can alter the base shade. Apply the glitter to the center of the lid and don't worry if it overlaps slightly onto the off-white or brown shades. It's all about the shine. By the way guys, for the extra glow I am using both powder shimmer and wet shimmer. You can even use metallic shadows for this step. I am using a metallic shade from the Too Faced chocolate palette to enhance the glow. Further, you can also apply a highlighter to your brow bone and inner corner. It's totally optional. By the way guys, I mostly use the same palette and this is from Too Faced and all the shades from this palette is my favorites. Next, I will take the same brown shade from the palette and apply it to the outer corner of my lower lash line, blending it halfway across. Then I will apply the off-white shade from the inner corner to meet the brown at the halfway point. I will use a black eyeshadow with an eyeliner brush to create a very thin line along the upper lash line. I am not going for a wing, just a simple clean line. By the way guys, use a dapping motion for precision instead of dragging the brush back and forth. I'm also making the inner corner with the same brush. It is easy to highlight the inner corner. After this, I will curl my lashes. By the way, in next video, I will introduce a different type of eyelash curler that works wonder for stubborn lashes. Stay tuned for that. Now I am applying the YSL Lash Clash Mascara to enhance the lashes. For an even bolder look, you can use winged lashes. I mean angled wing lashes, which complements this wet diamond look beautifully. If I'm talking about the lower lashes, by the way, I love to apply mascara on lower lashes because it enhances the look of your eyes and your lashes. And for the waterline, I am using a white eyeliner. You can also use a light pink nude eyeliner if you prefer. To finish off, I am adding a touch of silver shimmer to the inner corner of my eye on the lower lid to brighten it up. You can clearly see the difference this small step makes. And that's it. You can see how stunning this wet diamond eye look is. It perfect for weddings, festive seasons, or any occasions. It's incredibly easy to create, although I took some time to explain every single detail. The actual process takes only about 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It helps me to grow on YouTube, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.